Hello, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. The Pound Trader here, making an analysis for Thursday and Friday, the 7th and 8th of November 2024. So just jumping in, simple analysis today. We're starting over on the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame, we can see that we have an uptrend over here. I have been biased for this on the sell side, so we can see that we have some reaction along this trend line. I am hoping for price to break below this trend line and even this level here, which is quite a strong monthly level, and maybe a retracement, a pullback, and then continue those sells. But for today, because I'm an intraday trader, I'm waiting for a short pullback, maybe back up here, because whenever we have a reaction, normally price will tend to react a bit, and then seeing what happens there. So for now, I'm looking for a short-term buy. So I'm just going over to the daily time frame so we can see this a bit more clearly. So on the daily, I had a rising wedge over here, and we have a breakout. Now, for me, I was waiting for pullbacks along these levels over here, but I wasn't able to get one as of yet. So if I take my Fibonacci retracement tool, I can see we have a 50% Fibonacci retracement, which is half of this move here. So currently I'm hoping for price to retrace back to that level and then wait for sells or any sort of indication of price stalling. Then I'm going to try and see what position I can get. But as for now, I'm looking for a daily, a trade within a day, just a short buy, and then we'll see what happens from there. Okay, so we're going to go over to the 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame, and you can see we have a double bottom over here, and my zone, these two zones are in different colors because this was yesterday's low and yesterday's high, and we can see that we reacted here with some, I guess the bullish candles, but not really. This was lots of wicks. This was an indecisive candle, and we have some reactions here. I think we are still along the downtrend, so I don't know if price might continue, maybe go down again and then break out. But if I go to the 1-hour time frame, let me show you what I'm looking for as for today. On the 1-hour time frame, I am looking for a rejection around this level here. I have a really thin resistance support zone here, and this is because this was another move. This was if you can check here, this is Wednesday the 23rd of October. This is quite a level, so I'm hoping maybe if I can get a bullish candle. Honestly, it's not the safest, to be honest, but because we have a double top, I don't like that we are still inside this trend line. I don't like that. But depending on how I'm feeling, if I do get a bullish engulfing candle here, I might take a buy. But honestly, I would like to see it break above this trend line and even this zone over here. A retracement would be ideal, and then take it up. But honestly, I'm not like a pro trader, so sometimes I just trade according to my mood, which is not good. But but basically this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a short-term buy. This would be more ideal. If it does come and make like a double bottom again, like a triple bottom, then I might take that. But I'm looking for a short-term buy back to these levels here and then wait for a rejection. And I think I'm also just a bit confident on the buys in terms of my bias, just because we have the double bottom, as I mentioned, and we are almost in a range. So waiting for price to see what will happen. I don't know if we'll get a rejection here. I'd like for it to break above. If it does come back to the bottom here, the better. But currently that's just what I'm looking for, and I hope I've made sense. I just wanted to make a quick analysis, and maybe let me just go to the dollar index, just so that I have been bullish on the dollar index, and now that the elections in the US, they're clear now. I don't know what's going to happen, but I think the dollar might get stronger even fundamentally. So on the dollar here, we have this move, impulsive move here. I have been waiting for a retracement, but even when you look back at past data, we can see that sometimes the dollar doesn't always do like a proper retracement, if that makes sense. We can see, like, for example, over here, this was just a small retracement and then it continued pushing upwards. So currently I'm hoping that maybe the pound makes a short retracement back to this level here. And in case you're wondering why that level, when I take my Fibonacci, we can see that here we are on the 38.2% fib. So this looks quite ideal. And also when I take my moving averages, we can see that they are meeting around this point over here. So if that happens, then that will confirm my short-term bullish bias. Maybe a corrective move, because this move looks a bit, looks a bit weird. So I'm hoping for price to come and do that. And then, yeah, we'll see. And also because I want this trend line, this is too steep of a trend line for me. If the trend line becomes a bit wider with slopes better angle wise, this would also be ideal. So currently that is what I'm looking for. If that does happen, then it will confirm my short-term buy on the pound. And yeah, we'll see what happens from there. Anyway, that's my analysis. I really hope I've made sense. I don't always like use the proper terms, but yeah, I'm just trying to express what I'm feeling. Let me know what you think. Let me know how the elections are going to impact the currencies. Yeah, and also maybe if you take a look at the news, we can see here on Thursday, 3 p.m. East African time, we have some news, GBP. 4:30 we have USD. Oh, wait, okay. So today we have a lot of news, and Friday and nothing much. So, oh, okay. I don't know. It doesn't look too safe. I'm going to be honest. Doesn't look too safe for me today, but we'll just have to see what happens. If I get a breakout, that will be best. All right. So thank you for listening, watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video, which will probably be an analysis for Monday, hopefully dropping this weekend.